What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Entertainment. So, if you have been following the news for quite some time, you realize that the Nigerian televangelist Omotoso was actually acquitted of all the charges on 2 April 2025. So, this acquittal of all charges occurred just last month when the judge actually read the court case and said the prosecution presented a weak case, and Umotoso and his followers actually celebrated. So it all appeared as if everything was going fine. Then today we just woke up to the news that Omotoso has actually been arrested again in East London. So the NPA had actually promised that they are not going to let this case to just go away. They are going to find more evidence, really. So it's really surprising what is really going on, because it is being said that Omotoso is going to appear in court on Monday, that is our 12th May. But one thing that I'm also seeing here is that the charges that he has been arrested for are different from those ones that he faced when he was acquitted last month. This time he is facing the arrest, the charges of immigration. So the Department of Home Affairs is actually expected to release an official statement with regards to the immigrations that he actually probably violated, because the last time he was facing different charges to these ones. So this rearrest of Omotoso is reignited, the public debate and media attention, because so many people throughout the country were kind of disappointed to hear that Omotoso has been released, despite there being credible evidence from their perspective. But this is the news that is coming in and it is developing. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.